Hello, good morning, everyone. This is Oli Graphics Code Word. Stay at your service. So today we are learning on how to make a download button on your website. So on your phone, if you want to program your HTML and CSS on your phone using a download button on your website, or you want to use a system, it's the same procedure. So whether on phone or on system, it's using the same notepad. So you come to your notepad. Then you make your notepad load, and after the loading, you should create a new file, then name it, let's say, button.html. Don't forget your extension should be .html. Then you start your code. Doc type HTML add, then your title, button, how to make a button, a download button, how to make a download button. Then you close your title. Then you open your H1. You can put download button. Don't forget, around this place you need to put your meta cassette. Meta cassette equals UTF-8. Then you close your tag. Then your language, your lang equals EN-US. That means you want it to go in British language. So that is what you're gonna do. Then you close it. Then you come back here. You close your head. Then you close your head. You come here. You open your body tag. I say you name your body. You put your body like this is where the work starts from. Then you open your button, which is button type equals button. Then you close and you put download. Then you close your button. Sorry, it is not well closed there. So let's check. I prefer using Chrome. I prefer using Firefox because this HTML viewer has a step where it can view, not all code an HTML viewer view. So I prefer using Firefox or Chrome because on my phone Firefox load it. So let's use Firefox. Can you see it? Can you see it? This is my heading. This is my download button. So come on, let's close the body. Let's close the body tag and open our style. To style our, you understand, to style it. So style, then you put your button. You are using CSS to style. I do use CSS to style because CSS is used to style, is for styling a website. So I prefer using CSS for my styling, designing, while I use my HTML for my back end as my written stuff. So button, you start button. Let's start it. Font size, font size, let's say 20. Font size 20. Font size 20. Font family, let's make it Courier. I have Courier because Courier makes it. This is Gojira. Then save it. Then you put your margin. Make your margin on, because it's kind of stuff we don't need your margin. Then this, your margin. You put your padding. Make your padding like, let me say 15 pixels. Sorry, here we need to put our pixels. You can also put some browsers support IRM. We use IRM also in programming, but I prefer using this because almost all browser recognize this, so they can interpret it well. This is to interpret. So padding. Then you put your border radius. Border radius, like say, let me say 10. Say 10. You put your background, you put your color, your background color. Let's put a text color. A text color should be the text color. This is the text color here, color. So let's put the text color blue, white. The background color, let's make it blue. Check. Can you see? We are still working on it. So let's reduce our padding. Let's give it 10. Can you see? Padding makes this shape rectangle. Border radius makes it curve. Understand? Border radius makes it curve. That's the work of border radius. So in our border radius there isn't pixels. So that is what we call the syntax error in programming. Can you see it? Can you see the work of the border radius? It makes it curve, while the padding makes it a rectangle. So that is font family Gojira. Then let's put the box shadow. 5 pixels, 7 pixels. I like shadow, so that is it. 9 pixels white, or you use this. This is what we call the hexagon color. FFF as the meaning of white. So let us color our body here to make so our work is going to come outside. Body background color, let's make it brown. So can you see? So background color is yellow. Can you see the box shadow I put? So we still have a lot of work to do. We need to put our transition. The transition makes it, when it is being pressed, it's going to show some things, some features. So transition, the transition is in out. Let's put it 4 seconds. 4 seconds is in out. So can you see it? Let's put 2 seconds. Or I prefer let's use 2 seconds. Let's use separately. Transition delay, transition timing function, timing function. Let's put 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Then let's put our cursor beyond the way. Let's put our cursor pointer. If it is on laptop, on your system, when you would take your cursor using your mouse, when you take it there, it's going to change it to a pointer when it's going to get there. But it is because it's on phone. A phone does not have a cursor, so that is why it is like this. So let's close this. Close our style. Close our HTML. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. This to remain all the graphics code word. We love you, and stay safe, please.